Hello, welcome to this video. If you're actually new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And also today we are going to talking about MetaTrader 5. In my last video I talked about how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 4. So in this video we're just talking about how to use MetaTrader 5. Whether it's difficult or not, you're going to know today. So I'll just basically open my own MetaTrader 5 since I've installed it. But if you haven't installed your MetaTrader 5, don't forget to go to your Play Store on your Android phone and download MetaTrader 5. It's an amazing app to use on your Android phone for your forex. So so basically this is how the MetaTrader 5 interface look like, also known as MT5. So this first page you're actually seeing is your code. This first page you're seeing here is your code. The second button you're seeing here is your chart. The third one is your trade. The fourth one is all your orders. Then the fifth one is your news. The last one is chat, where you can chat with other forex traders. So basically this code is just showing you different currency pairs. As you can see, different currency pairs, euro to USD, then different ones, different currency pairs. You can also add your currency pairs here on your code. You just click this plus icon, then click forex/main, then click whatever currency pair you're trying to put. So that's it. And if you're trying to edit this, you can just click this edit icon, then move it. As you can see, I am moving my own. I can move it accordingly to how I like it, and I can also delete it by just you can also delete it too. So I'll just move it like that. Then on this chart you can add indicators to it. As you can see, I've added indicators to my chart. This is example of indicator. You can see MACD. You can also add more. You can also add more to your own. You can also add more indicators to your chart, and it's easy. Well, so basically I'll just explain this chart interface for you so you can understand everything about it. So this first plus icon is in there that looks like plus is just for you to select the right number correctly, or the right number correctly. So I'll just remove it, then come to the next one. The next one is indicator. I can add different indicators to my chart by just clicking this F icon that looks like this mathematics symbol. I can just click on it and add new charts to it. You can add any charts to it, then click done. As you can see, it's showing my MACD. Then also, and this third one that looks like dollar symbol with something like a rolling this on top is where you can see different currency pairs. As you can see, I can see different currency pairs here. I can just change to their own chart. I'll just go to Great Britain /USD. So this is, and also the fourth one is your chart. You can add more chart windows to it. You can add more chart windows to it. You see, this is another chart. There's another chart here, and I can also remove it. I can also remove it depending on what I want. I'll just click. Okay, I'll just remove this one. As you can see, remove. Then the last one is where you can your market execution, where you want to buy or you want to sell. So if you want to sell, you can just input your sell stop, and TP is your take profit. So as if most of us might actually know what buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit is, so I don't have to explain all that to you. So I'll just go back. Okay, I'll go to my trade. As you can see, the balance is your main balance, and the equity is the amount that is the current balance you have in your account. As you can see, if I should stop this trade that's currently going on, I will have this balance in my account. Let me show you. Let me just click again. Modify close position, close. Okay, Okay, as you can see, my current balance is increased to this equity, so that's it. And for this one, I know this last one this first one I was talking about, it's showing your history. As you can see, the symbols are bought today, or the currency pairs are bought today will show here, show me whether I'm losing or I'm gaining. So as you can see, my profit is $22.88. I can check orders. As you can see, you can check orders, you can check deals, whatever. And news, you can see news, different news as they're coming in. So if I click this main icon close to quote, you see other options. Options, oh, it's too much. So if I want to add a new account to this, I'll just click the manage account, then I can add whatever account I want to add, but I'm not adding any account, so I'll just go back to quote. Then if I want to change the settings, I can click the settings, then do whatever I want to do with it. I can change it to a tablet interface depending on how I like it. So you can just play around with your MetaTrader 5 and see something nice you can do with it. Well, one thing about this MetaTrader 5 that's not in MetaTrader 4 is this chart window. The ability for you to add a chart window to the same screen, but you can't do something like this on MetaTrader 4. So that's one of the main things why most people are actually using MetaTrader 5. Okay, and MetaTrader 5 also have more advanced features that are not on MetaTrader 4. So depending on the one you want, but I'm making use of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So I'll be making videos on MetaTrader 4 and 5 very soon. Different videos that explains different things to you. Okay, so that's it. So if I just tap on this chart, you'll see something like a circle. What is this circle all about? So I'm just going to use my brush tool to explain it. This M1 you see here is talking about 1 minute. That means when you're trading, you trade in 1 minute. The next one is 5 minutes. The next one is 15 minutes. The next one is 30 minutes. The next one is 1 hour. The next one is 4 hours. The next one is 1 day. The next one is 1 week. Then the other one is month. You can keep a trade for months. You can keep a trade for years. But if you want to keep a trade for years, you have to select more. You have to select more than 12 months. You get what I'm trying to say? You have to do analysis for more than 12 months, something like that. So the other one is the indicator. Like I said, you can add different indicators to your chart. So this one is for you to pick a point, like that point. Just pick a point. Then this icon that looks like setting is just for you. It's same thing as setting, but this time around you can be able to add colors to your chart and everything. Then this other one is for you to be able to add what you call indicators. They are also indicators, but when I mean you can add lines to analyze your okay. It means you can add lines to it. I just click, then put line here. As you can see, it's easy to use. So I'll just put another line depending how I like it. So I can just keep going on. Keep going on. So that's it. As you can see. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, sorry, before I forget, let me teach you how to also place trade. How to place a trade. So once I click this market execution, then I just select whatever I want. I'll just put my sell stop something reasonable. And I think I just put 5. Place. It's very easy. So if I want to remove it, I just click delete the order before it starts. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're actually new. Well, I'm going to be uploading more videos on Forex, please don't forget to subscribe, and also invite your friends to subscribe, and invite your friends to invite their friends and their own friends to keep on inviting their other friends to my YouTube channel to subscribe. Please don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.